Warning, don't start a YouTube channel until you watch this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about self-improvement, books, mental health and neuroscience. Today I'm sharing a critical lesson I learned from my 90-day YouTube monetization challenge. If you're thinking to start a YouTube channel or you're already struggling to grow your audience, you need to hear this. So I quit my job to pursue my passion of YouTube content creation and I started a challenge to get monetized within 90 days. Today I'm sharing the final update on my 90-day YouTube monetization challenge. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I didn't reach my goal of getting monetized within 90 days, but that's okay. I learned a lot and I'm very proud of the progress that I made. I started this challenge on 18th December 2024 and I had 149 subscribers back then. Today is 27th March 2025 and now I have 239 subscribers. So I gained 90 subscribers within these 90 days and I'm grateful for each and every one of you. Your support, engagement and encouragement mean the world to me. I love reading your comments, responding to your questions and getting to know you all better. One of the biggest lessons I have learned from this challenge is that growth takes time. I was expecting to see quick results, but that's not how it works. It takes consistency, effort and patience. It takes showing up every day, creating content that resonates with your audience and engaging with them in a meaningful way. I also learned that it's okay to make mistakes. I made plenty of them during this challenge, but I learned from my mistakes. I learned that it's okay to try new things, to experiment with different formats and styles and to take risks. And that's exactly what I'm going to keep doing. I'm going to keep creating content that I'm passionate about, that resonates with you guys and that helps me grow as a creator. So, what's the warning I wanted to share with you? It's simple. Don't expect overnight success on YouTube. It takes time, effort and perseverance to build a loyal audience and grow your channel. So, what's next? I'm excited to announce that I'll be starting a new 365 days challenge, but this time it's not just about YouTube, it's about transforming my entire life. Over the next 365 days, I'll be focusing on 4 key areas: my personal life, my YouTube channel, my physical health and mental health. I'll be making a separate video about it. I want to create a life that I love, a life that's true to who I am. I want to build meaningful relationships, pursue my passion, and live a life that's purposeful and fulfilling. I want to grow my YouTube channel into a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about self-improvement, mental health, personal growth, and books. I want to create content that inspires, motivates, and educates. I want to prioritize my physical and mental health. I want to build healthy habits, exercise regularly, eat a balanced diet, and meditate. I want to reduce my stress and anxiety and improve my overall well-being. One of my personal goals for 365-day challenge is to push myself out of my comfort zone. I have been feeling stuck in my routine and hesitant to try new things, but I know that's holding me back from growing and experiencing life to the fullest. Recently, I discovered some amazing groups on Instagram related to books and mental health, and they organize meetups on weekend. I have always wanted to join in on the fun, but the thought of going out alone and meeting a bunch of strangers terrifies me. It's way out of my comfort zone, but I'm determined to take the leap. To take it up a notch, I also want to challenge myself to go to a karaoke night and sing a song in front of a crowd. Just thinking about it makes my heart race, but I know it will be an incredible confidence booster. I'm tired of letting fear hold me back, and I'm ready to face my anxieties head on. By pushing myself out of my comfort zone, I hope to discover new passions, make new friends, and develop a more confident mindset. I'm excited to see where this journey takes me and I'm glad you're along for the ride. I'll be sharing regular updates, insights and behind the scenes footage of my journey. Thanks for tuning in guys. I'll catch you in the next video. If you found this video helpful then smash the like button, comment and subscribe for more such videos. That's a wrap. This is Ananya signing off with a big virtual high five. Keep shining, keep striving, Excelsior.